Today I'm going to discuss about the helicopter money. What is helicopter money? Why it is in news? And whether it is good or bad for the economy. American economist Milton Friedman coined this term in 1969. Helicopter money is the term used for a large sum of new money that is printed and distributed among the public to stimulate the economy during a recession or when interest rate falls to zero. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, country is in lockdown mode and neither the center nor the state government had the money to revive the economy. So in this scenario, Telangana CM urged the center to make RBI pump at least 5% of gross domestic product. Citing the example, he said US was releasing 2% and UK 15% GDP in order to provide some ease to their sagging economies. Helicopter money does not rely on increased borrowing to fuel the economy, which means that it doesn't create more debt and interest rate can remain unchanged. Generally, it boosts spending and economic growth more effectively because it increases aggregate demand, the demand for goods and services immediately. The basic principle is to increase broader economic activity and pushing the inflation up by putting more money in circulation in the market. One of the primary risks associated with helicopter money is that the policy may lead to significant currency devaluation in the international foreign exchange market. Currency devaluation would be primarily attributed to the creation of more money. Germany began to buy foreign currency with marks at any price, but that only sped up devaluing the mark considerably. In 1923, the mark had lost meaning with the exchange rate of 1 trillion mark to $1. Zimbabwe too was caught in this precarious situation, and this kind of hyperinflation scenario has gripped Venezuela right now. As this helicopter money boosts inflation, increases interest rate and borrowing cost, it then becomes a dire need to print money every year to fund deficit. So while looking at the experience of printing currency in other countries, it can easily be concluded that such a move doesn't increase economic output in any way, it merely causes inflation. And this increase in inflation is not good for economic health of the country. Thank you.